Adobe Camera Raw, which lets you import and enhance raw images, has been a must-have. Unfortunately, some cameras and mobile phones do not have the ability to take pictures in the RAW format. Not all is lost. We can go into settings of Photoshop and alter a couple of settings. Now we can take photographs in JPEG format. And Photoshop will load it in Camera Raw interface. No need to worry about the settings, they are simple to change. Now that we are ready, let's jump into Photoshop and I will show you how to change the settings. Perfect. Look at all the sliding controls. A little touch of alteration here and there. And I will be the perfect masterpiece. No more time living my life on a data card. I can be printed, framed, and placed on the wall.
Please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching this video.